Today, I'm going to show you how to quickly remove the front headlight on a Mercedes-Benz W212 Facelift. In this video, I'll demonstrate two different methods. The first method allows you to remove the headlight without completely removing the front bumper by simply loosening its upper section. The second method covers the complete front bumper removal, which is useful for more extensive repairs or replacements. Let's get started. First, open the hood. Along the top edge of the bumper, you'll find several torque screws. These need to be removed completely. The easiest way is to use a ratchet with the correct Torx bit, but if you don't have one, a regular screwdriver or another suitable tool will work as well. Start by removing the screw on one side. Then do the same on the opposite side. Don't forget the screw located in the center. Once these fasteners are removed, the upper part of the bumper will already become much looser. Next, move to the 10mm bolt located in the center. I recommend using a deep 10mm socket with a ratchet to make the job easier. Remove the bolt completely. At this point, you'll notice that the upper part of the bumper has enough movement to continue with the next step. Now we'll release the sides of the bumper. To do that, pull back the fender liner. Here you'll find the fasteners holding it in place. On my vehicle, some of these fasteners are already broken, but on your car, you'll normally see 2 screws and 1 plastic clip. Remove them to gain access behind the fender liner. Once the liner is out of the way, you'll be able to see where the bumper connects to the front fender. There are 2 10mm bolts securing this section. One is located closer to the front of the vehicle, and the second sits slightly farther inside. Remove both bolts completely. This is what the mounting area looks like from the inside. After removing these bolts, carefully pull the corner of the bumper toward you. If every fastener has been removed, the bumper will easily release from its retaining clips without excessive force. Now that the bumper has been loosened enough, we can move on to removing the headlight. The headlight is secured by 2 upper mounting bolts. Remove the first bolt here, then remove the second one located beside it. Once both bolts are out, carefully pull the headlight forward. Since we've already loosened the upper section of the bumper, the lower part of the headlight is no longer trapped behind it. The headlight can now slide out smoothly from its mounting position. Remove it carefully to avoid scratching the bumper or the fender. If you'd like to learn how to completely remove the front bumper on a Mercedes-Benz W212 Facelift, be sure to watch the next video on my channel, where I'll show you the entire process step by step.